Let's go take mga bahog tik-tik.
Take mahal. Tik.
No, let's go take
Let's go tik.
mga bahog tik-tik.
Mabaho. Tik.
Mga baho
Mga baho.
tik-tik.
Tik. Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning everything. Good morning everyone. Good morning guys. Good morning sa lahat. Good morning sa mga nanonood. Good morning sa mga bagong subscribers. Good morning sa mga bagong nanonood na hindi nag-subscribe. Good morning. Good morning guys. Today is Tuesday. Sa ilang days hindi ko nakita si Mr. kasi 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks hindi siya umuwi. Buti na lang, akala ko maging 3 weeks. Buti na lang, nagtrabaho siya kahapon kahit Monday. Pinatrabaho siya. Pero buti na lang, Tuesday and Wednesday, andito siya kasama ko. So hopefully, pupunta siya dito maaga para naman magsama kami for even just 2 days. Okay? And yun, so hindi ako makapaghintay na makauwi dito. I can't remember when we used to be. Okay guys, tapos na po yung binibake natin. So ngayon, magkain pa tayo kasi nagkain ng gutom ako guys. Kailangan natin magkain. So ngayon guys, ang agenda ko ngayon guys is mag-pick up sa pagkain sa crispy patang in order ko. Galing sa kasi sabi pa ni Tommy, kakain daw siya ng mga crunchy this time. And hindi naman daw yun palagi. Yun yung sabi niya. At saka also, yun, gusto kasi niya yung crispy na pork skin. Pero sabi niya, don't worry, kasi hindi naman ako kakain palagi, ganyan. Kasi every time na bibili ako ng pork, palagi kong inaadobo. Sabi pa niya, I like adobo, but I prefer crunchy skin. Kasi sabi niya, I know you know how to make the crunchy skin, pero hindi mo yan ginagawa. You like adobo, you keep making adobo. So this time, nag-order ako ng crispy pata. Bibili din ako ng latok. Kasi, yun, magmukbang po kami ni Mr. Tagal din kami hindi nagkita, no? O, alam niyo ba, anong sabi niya kahapon? Nang nag-usap kami, sabi niya, sabi pa niya, I'm tired of this. Natawa ako, guys, kasi, usually, ako kasi, tatawag ako, ito yun ako tatawag, parang, ikukulit-kulit ko siya ba, for a long time, hindi ko na siya ginaganon, hindi na ako tumatawag. Kasi, sabi niya, walang signal sa loob ng trabaho, so hindi ako tumatawag. Hintay lang ako ng tawag niya, ng mga text niya. So, ngayon, one morning, sabi pa niya, you don't even read my text, you don't even reply, you don't even call me. Sabi, tawa ako ng tawa, guys, kasi, for the first time, naging ganon, naka-emo si Tammy. For the first time, naging emo, sabi niya, natawa-tawa ako ng tawa. Sabi ko, gusto mo ha? Gusto mong ibalik ko yung dating MaryAnn na ang kulit-kulit? Sabi ko, gusto mong ibalik ko yun, ang kulit-kulit ko? Sabi ko sa kanya, gustong-gusto ko yung ganyan ka, yung parang ipakita mo yung na-miss mo rin ako. Natawa siya kasi sabi ko, gusto ko yung ganyan ka kasi it's the first time. Gusto kong makita na feel ko na na-miss mo rin ako, na gusto mo yung akong makulit. Na-miss niya yung kakulitan ko, guys, na ganun. Yung sobra akong makulit.
Hello.
Good morning. What's going on with my lalab?
I just walked downstairs. Just made some coffee.
Oh, so I guess you're coming here late.
Why is that late?
Because I expect you to be here 5 o'clock. I miss you.
Miss you too, hon. Leave the boiler running. I'm having my coffee. I'm eating your chips.
Huh? You're eating my bibingka?
The stupid corn chips you brought.
Oh no, hon, please stop that. Stop that. Eat the proper food, please. Honey? Oh my God, this is what I said. Early in the morning, honey, you know better, hon. Stop it. Get a real food. Even just the food that you have over there, not the chips. Listen, oy.
I'm just having a couple.
Okay, just behave yourself, please. You know what it is, honey. You know that.
Thank you. What's going on over there?
Nothing. Hi, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. It is 12:09 na. And si Tammy papunta dito, pero tumawag siya. Sad na sad. Lungkot na lungkot si Mr. Grabe yung ginaw na sa labas. Ay, yung ginaw na iwan ko na. Whew. Anyway, so balikan ko kayo about sa sinabi ko na lungkot si Mr. Kasi po, guys, yung kapatid ni Mr. tinawagan siya. Kasi yung aso nila, dalawa yung aso nila. Akala nila yung aso is yung ari, yung paklingkling ng aso, babae kasi siya, nahuhulog daw. So ngayon, takang-taka si Tammy, bakit? Nahuhulog yung vajayjay. So nagtataka sila. So sabi pa, kailangan daw isauli. Kasi parang ready na matagak ba, mahuhulog. So ngayon, takang-taka si Tammy, paano yan mangyaring ganun? Ang vajayjay nahuhulog. Sabi pa, dapat i-surgery para ibalik kasi para daw natatanggal. Anong klase yan? Natatanggal. So ngayon, sinurgery siya. Mahal daw yung gasto. So, pag pinatulog yung aso, kawawa kasi, sabi pa, i-ready na to surgery. Ready na isauli. Hindi man guys, iba pala yun guys, ang nangyari sa kanya guys. Mga tumor pala yun. Tumor. And then ngayon, di ba pinatulog? So, may machine, tumutulong pa breathing sa aso. Para makahinga yung aso. May machine, di ba? Kasi natutulog siya, pinatulog. So, ngayon guys, sabi pa, tinawagan daw siya. Ngayon, sabi pa nila, hindi daw makahinga yung aso kapag wala yung machine. So, ngayon, ang nangyayari, yung kapatid ni Tammy para nang magwala. Naisip niya ba na bakit anyari? Bakit yung machine, kapag tanggalin daw yung machine, hindi na daw siya makahinga. Kasi parang hindi na daw alam kung paano huminga. So, nagtataka kami, bakit? So, ngayon, yung kapatid ni Tammy, iyak ng iyak, hindi mapalagay. Kasi nga, yun siya yung nawala ng asawa few months ago. Bago lang talaga. And then ngayon, yung aso na mahal niya, mawawala din. Pero ngayon, sabi pa ni Tammy, help daw to pray sa aso. Kasi para daw kung, para mabalik, yung may miracle ba na mangyayari na pagtanggalin yung machine, daw siya, makaginhawa, yung parang she can breathe her own. Yung kapatid ni Tammy, sabi pa, it's a wreck. Iyak ng iyak, hindi alam ang gagawin. Kasi bakit ang daming nangyayari sa buhay niya na ganito. Pagkatapos ng asawa niya, yung aso. Alam nyo naman guys, yung aso dito guys, kapag dog owner ka talaga, kapag mahal mo yung aso talaga. Masakit guys, grabe. Isipin mo nga lang masakit, paano na talaga yung, nako, iwan to. Masakit din sa amin kasi kilalang-kilala namin yung mga asong yun. Hindi ko alam guys, ay, daming mga kaganapan, daming sa kanya. Parang ako sa kanya ba? Nakakaawa kasi, yun. Ay. Can you imagine? Nawalan ka ng asawa, yung aso mo naman. May ganon. Sana talaga Hi guys, malapit-lapit na daw si Mister. So, ang gagawin ko, initin ko lang yung mga pagkain niya. Itong si Habs, kanina pa ito hingi ng pagkain talaga. Hindi ko talaga siya So, pakainin ko si Mister kahit konti. Kasi kapag mag-grocery kami, nagutom, natawa siya kasi sabi ko, hindi tayo pupunta ng grocery, nagutom ka. Kasi pag gutom yun guys, alam nyo ba kung anong mangyari? Lahat ng nakikita kukunin at akala niya matatapos niya yung lahat. Kainin niya yung lahat. Ganyan niya Ganyan yan siya. Dada's almost here. Alam talaga nila. Yeah, he's gonna be here. Uy, Roxy. Dada's gonna be here. It's been 2 weeks, huh? 2 weeks you don't see your dada, huh? What? You heard something? Nakikinig siya sa garahian kung mag-open. Ganyan yan siya kapag nakikinig. So, nakikinig yan kung ang garahean mag-open. Pag marinig niya yon, doon, narinig na niya. Narinig na niya, guys. Andito na si Mister. Ayaw pahawak ko.
Big girl. Hey, big girl. How you doing? Hey, little girl. How you doing, little girl? That's my little girl. Hey, little girl.
Hi! Hi, Lala. Do you need help? Yan yung si Roxy, guys. Yung car ang isni-snip niya. Parang may something sa car. The first thing Tommy does, it's with his son. Look at him. It's with his son.
I get them balls first.
Oh, Roxy first and Misty get bone. Oh, look, you got a sloppy kisses.
That's it, little man.
Hi, guys. Hi, everything. Hi, guys. So, ngayon, guys, ito yung time. Dalhin po natin si Tommy sa Food Bites Filipino store kung saan kami palaging nagtatambay ng tatlong mga babaeng pakan. So, dalhin natin si Mister para ma-meet niya yung may-ari. Hopefully, andun sila. This is Goodwill. What my baby getting? You're not wearing hot, hon. Please.
Why?
No, you don't look good in hot. No.
Now I want to wear it just because you said that.
You know what, honey? Forget that.
Don't look good.
You don't close your garage though.
No, and we'll close it when we open this one.
Okay, no, I close it. So let's bring my baby. But before that, guys, before that, we are going to grocery first. Hello, hon, we need bags. Is that your driving?
It's not showing you all how colorful it is.
Yeah, it's so colorful. I see that when driving
Yeah,
everywhere
but
here.
it's kind of hazy.
I know it's hazy because
this is clear,
it's
that's
focused here, doesn't focus over there. That's what happened.
So we're going to where?
Huh?
Where are we going? Market 32?
To get the nice vegetables and meat.
Market 32, you said?
Yeah, and then we can stop to Walmart to get whatever you need. Because we're going to Filipino store anyway, and it's closer over there. That's where we're going. The Walmart have a
Did you
good...
close it already?
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
So Walmart have a good cabbage, you think? Chicken thighs for you to bring. I cook it tomorrow.
I don't know. Walmart has them. Market 32 would have them.
Market is to have it. The grass grow really slow, but I still need to cut it one time. Anyway, guys, so let's go take mga bahog tik-tik, right? Can you just see it, Han? Let's go take mga bahog tik-tik.
Take my whole tick, 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 tick.
No, let's go take
Let's go tick.
mga bahog tik-tik.
My whole tick, tick.
No, Han. You don't sell it.
Go on.
Let's go take
Let's go tick.
mga bahog tik-tik.
Mama's a hoe, tick, tick.
Sabi, oy. Mga baho
Mama a hoe,
tik-tik.
tick, tick. What the hell is that?
Nothing. It's just an expression. It's just...
Sounds like you say your mama's. What's that?
That's your wording.
That's what you said.
No, that's what you said.
I'm repeating your words.
It's been a while that I've been going to Filipino store and with my friends. So let's bring Tommy over there. Hopefully the owner and the people still there. Hopefully the owner is there.
Can I tell him Mama a hoe, tick, tick?
Honey, you see that, honey? You see that? That would be nice. Honey, look. Cannot see, Ann. Honey, no. We don't color this. Oh, not the booty na
Well, I guess it's up to me to wear it then.
No, give it to me. Grocery lang kami, guys. Konti lang naman yung bilhin ko. Oh, where you going? Ay, cat grass daw. Hanap muna tayo ng cat grass. They don't have it. Where? Outside? Hanap siya ng cat grass, guys. Cat grass and catnip.
think we'll take back.
New Rochelle. Hanap lang tayo ng cabbage, guys. Cabbage at saka broccoli. Ay, kailang. I need a thing, han. Conditioner. Oh, it's right here. Gusto kong magmukbang nito ba. Look, oh. It's been a long time na hindi. I don't eat that. This is giant one. The same thing with that. What is this? A frog, hon? Oh my god. A frog, guys.
Frog legs, son.
Bucky. Yeah, I know. I like that. You know, it tastes like chicken. It tastes like chicken. Oh my god, my frog legs sila dito. Can you imagine, look, oh? Oh my goodness. No. Tignan mo yan. No. For who? For the cat? We still have a big one in the house. We still have the big one. Hanap lang ako ng manok, guys. Chicken thighs. Kasi yun yung hinahanap ko eh. Manok lang, chicken thighs. And then si Tami nag-stock na doon. Ito yung chicken thighs na hanap ko. Isa lang, I think. O, dalawa na lang. Dalawa. That's pork. Ganyan yun siya, guys. I'll get some turkey. Eat turkey.
Here.
Huh?
They don't have the turkey
You
here.
have small turkey. How about this?
That's ham.
Oh, that's ham. This is the price over there.
Yeah.
And
49.
yeah.
Look around south.
So, can I get the flaky thing instead?
You
So
the
that,
little tiny croissants.
yeah, this one, oh.
This one?
Yeah, buttery one, two of that. Pinokontrol ko siya, guys, kasi look, buti na lang, konti lang yung basket na dala namin, and konti lang yung nabili, so, control, sabi ko, meron ako, na-control, kasi kuha ng kuha, hindi mapalagay yung kamay. Samahan natin si Tami, guys, kasi galing kami sa isang grocery store. Ngayon, punta na naman kami sa Walmart kasi may bibilhin daw siya. So, samahan natin, ha? You got your thing? Tignan nyo, guys. Akala niya, he thought he can eat it all. He's imagining right now. Okay, can you look if that's the right 6 and then 14?
$6.94.
What is
No,
that?
that's how much per pound. So it's more than
No,
a
that
pound.
is really small.
This is a pound and a half also.
And honestly, honey, you really want me fat. Seriously. I didn't need any two of this. Gusto talaga niyan tumaba ako. Coffee is where? No, we still have that in the house. 3 of like that in the house.
Yeah, but I don't know. I put a again too.
Okay, coffee guy. He's looking for his coffee, guys. No more. I guess no more. I guess big lots it is. Shopping. Guys, look. He got me more rice. Binilhan ako ng maraming rice na naman, guys. Iwan ko na lang si Batman. Ito yung gusto ko. Look at the expiration. Shopping guy.
26.
That's it. Only that. What is that? Expiration. What kind of beans that you like anyway?
Oh, I like the red kidney beans, the canali beans. I like the one that I could actually read the date. These are 26. Okay. Good to read.
The small one, huh?
Same price for small ones. I'd rather get 6 small ones.
Yes, better to get the small one.
That's it.
Hey, look. Shh. My husband is very talkative. Every time he saw somebody, kaasapin talaga niya. Look at that. He's helping that woman to push the cart. It's like that woman cannot push the cart. That's how he is. Like the woman is returning the cart in the cart park. He's helping the woman. He's holding the cart. He's just like stupid. You're crazy.
Why?
She's holding. She seems like she cannot hold the cart. Push. Seems like you have to hold the cart together. Okay, hold. A little bit, only a little bit.
Oh, she's talking to me. She's like, oh, I'm so glad to see somebody else put the carts away.
Punta kami ni Tami dito guys sa carpet. Han, they need mask, Han. This one here, you cannot enter without mask. So, balikan natin yung ano carpet, ano. Let's see. No, I don't like those colors. Over here is more nicer here. 8 by ano daw yung kukunin namin. What, Han? Right here. They're big. They have it here. Look. What size? 8 by 11, 8 by 10.
Oh, this is nice and look at the price.
Hello. How much is it nicer?
Yeah, I feel it. It's tough.
Okay. We're gonna try also to Home Depot.
That's what I said. You send me pictures that don't mean shit.
Why?
Because you can't tell, you know.
Look, I like that, Han. Look.
Black and white.
Oh, I like that. Yeah. Yeah, but is the hair is very obvious.
It's a diamond black and white.
Look, what size is that? 8 by 11? Is that so big, Han? Also, it's not that big. You won't like
Yeah,
it.
I like the same.
You like that?
5%.
I like that.
Diagonal. This is 2 by 11.
Oh, it's so very oldie looking.
Similar to just what you. I like this one.
Which one? Oh, I like that. How much? 8 by 11? That's a perfect one. That's nice. Can you stand over there? Can you stand over there? That's a weird look.
It's good marble.
Marbly looking.
Yeah.
That's nice for bedroom, love.
Too small, but
No, that's good.
200. That's a good price.
Bedroom.
No, I'm thinking dining room.
Huh?
I'm thinking dining room is fancy, like.
It will get dirty.
Hmm?
It will get dirty fast.
Yeah, but it's marbleized, so you're not. It's not gonna. You won't notice right.
That's nice, guys. Look, marbly looking. Oh, this is nice. What size is this?
Bedroom. 9 by
Bedroom.
13.
Oh, nice. 300.
Yeah.
What? And this is so big.
For bedroom.
No, this is really big. We don't need this big.
You do want something big for the bedroom.
I like that marbly.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Want to get it while we're here?
Daming rug nila eh. Meron kaming napili pero hindi na magkasya dito sa sasakyan. Dito na kami guys. So ipamit na natin si Tami sa mga kilala natin. Kilala. Hi! My husband Tommy.
Hello. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Romil.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where's Kuya?
Home.
Ah, wala pala.
50 minutes. Gina! May sipaktan eh.
Te! Asawa ko, Te Tami.
Nice to meet you. So I will like surprise
Gina. The one that I bring to Bear Mountain.
Bear Mountain and
Yeah.
Blueberry.
Crispy patat eh.
Yeah.
Nakalimutan ninyo?
Hindi. Ilalagay na nga, sakto na kasi 15 minutes.
Ay, okay lang naman. Okay lang. Akala ko wala pa na ano. 15 minutes. Nandito si Kuya? Ha? Oo. Ano te, wala pala yung may-ari ng tindahan. Ipamit sana, wala man. What are you
you.
looking?
Your fish up here.
Ha? Fish top? Yeah, I know. This is the one that I want you to try. You know what is this?
I'm like, oh no, forget it.
Guys. Han, can you do mukbang with that?
No.
Han? Oh, I wanna get another. No, that's not it. Barrio Fiesta. Ay, Kuya's here. My husband. Han, that's the owner, Han. Tommy. Pero bago Tommy magmukbang, magluto muna ako ng gulay. And because maganda siyang imukbang kasi sobrang aga pa, guys. Mainit pa siya. So yun. And before that, I need to do all our this. I will do this can later. I'm just gonna prioritize the meat. Where the frick is the meat? My husband. Ay.
Another can.
Ay. Han, I'm gonna brew the meat. You do the can. Tignan nyo guys. Sino to?
What'd you do with the other rice that you got?
Oh, it's in the basement. Why? Where is the other rice that I got? That you carry?
Is that it? It's on the wash machine.
Huh?
It's on the wash machine.
Okay, tignan nyo to guys. Roxy. We do the meat tomorrow, okay? Because we have crispy
Oh, it
chicken.
stays up here.
Yeah. The broccoli, I'm gonna cook it really quick. I'll bring it downstairs. You said you're gonna bring that to your Rochelle.
What?
The toothpaste.
I am.
Don't forget.
What do you want these?
Bring her downstairs.
No, these croissant plates.
We have tons in here. I'll bring it downstairs. And this one, I'll bring the old one.
Well, you don't need the old, is it? Is this empty?
That's empty.
Oh, yeah.
Old one, right?
Yeah.
There's nothing in there, right?
No. Very little. I know. Yes, you
Han, did you do the old one?
This is the old one.
Be careful.
You got the container sitting here.
Don't kill the light, okay? I just turn it off for the growing.
Just turn it on.
Just light is on all the time now.
I said you just turn it on.
Yeah, all of it.
Both of them? Why?
Because I still have the croissant. I have the baking to here.
Yeah, but that'll only last you a day.
Yes, tomorrow. It's okay. We don't have space here.
Okay. You didn't take the meat out of this, right?
Huh? I took the meat.
So this is
That's
just
all can.
all cans?
Where are you gonna put it? There's no space there. No space whatsoever. You did it yourself.